In a shocking incident, history seeker and very hardcore criminal SiddiquI alias Suleiman Khan has escaped from the custody of crime branch. As you can see, there is a custody, there is a lockup inside, and Suleiman SiddiquI was lodged in that lockup under the police custody. It was his third arrest in the land grabbing case. He has been named in 3 land grab cases, and he was, after great effort of crime branch, he was arrested last month in November someday. He was arrested from Karnataka and he was brought here. He was evading arrest for more than 4 years. But after technical surveillance and great effort by crime branch team, he was arrested from the Karnataka, and he was arrested one by one. One land grab case was registered in Mapsa, then one land grab case was registered in Walpoi, and it was third case in which he was granted police custody by the court, and he was under police custody. But somehow he befriended with one constable attached with the IRB constable, namely Amit Naik, and it seems, prima facie, it seems that this constable Amit Naik has helped him in escape, because as you can see, there is a CCTV camera. Amit Naik was guarding him in the lockup, and in the night around 2:30 a.m. or 3 a.m., this CCTV camera shows that Amit Naik took Suleiman on his bike from this place, and he has moved out from this gate. This CCTV camera, the footage of this CCTV camera is showing that. It means that somehow both have hatched a conspiracy, and under the conspiracy, Amit Naik, Constable Amit Naik, has helped Suleiman SiddiquI in escaping from the custody. Those senior official of crime branch and the Goa police are saying that they have lead that where they have gone, but even after hours, Suleiman SiddiquI and Amit Naik both are escaping, both are evading arrest, though FIR against both of them has been registered by Old Goa police in this matter. But entire Goa police, like South Goa police and North Goa police, in coordination with crime branch, is attempting to nab both the accused.
इतले मजगती दोगांचेर कडक कारवाय जातली, तशेंच निश्काळजीपणा जाल्ली आसत जाल्यार ड्युटेर आशिल्ल्यांचेरय कारवाय करतले, अशें पुलीस उपमहानिरीक्षक वर्षा शर्मा सांगता.
We are taking necessary disciplinary action, criminal action, as well as all efforts to trace them. We'll do it.
उसको जिसने हेल्प किया,
Both. Registering case against.
ऑन ड्यूटी पे वो अकेले ही थे.
जो ऑन ड्यूटी पे कल पुलिस थे उनके पे कार्रवाई होगी.
अभी इंक्वायरी करके we'll take a strict action. We are not going to spare anything. The crime branch as well as local police, they are doing necessary action, and teams have been.
With Swapnil Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.